It feels wonderful to be a 30ish winner. I think when I was wandering around and looking at all of these different boards, it's incredible to be a part of this community of people who are making change around the world. I think that it's just so inspiring to see all of their stories and to feel like I get to learn more about them and hopefully contribute to this community in whatever way I can. I think it's just wonderful to be able to give back to Cardiff in some way. So I'm the founder of Be the Change Media Network, which is a youth-led storytelling platform. And right now we have 18 podcasts produced by young people who are mostly under the age of 25. And we're expanding into blogs and different forms of content now. We're also developing Be the Change Media Academy, which is a storytelling training program. So we're going to be reaching at least 1,000 young people across the UK in the next year with that program. So it's in its early stages, but it's going to be really exciting. So all about kind of empowering the next generation to feel safer and creating ethical content online. So it's so wonderful to be back in Cardiff. I've made so many amazing memories and I've learned so much in this city. I think also I've made some of my best friends in the work that I'm doing now at Cardiff. And I think it just feels like such a wonderful homecoming. And it's been wonderful to meet this community of people as well who it feels like just home again. So it's been wonderful. My time at Cardiff really gave me the connections that I needed to start with this work. I met so many people who wanted to create podcasts and who wanted to create their own forms of media, but didn't know where to get started. So we really created the community that is Be the Change Media Network here. It really started in Cardiff. And I got to do that with a couple of my friends, Tom Spare, Sid Kurapati, who were based at the School of Journalism. And together we kind of developed our first podcast and then it turned into a network. So I'm so grateful for all the learning that I've had, but also for the connections I've been able to make and that community that formed here at Cardiff. So.